हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू डेंटल अड्डा। आज हम अनबॉक्स करने जा रहे हैं प्राइम का कंपोजिट किट। इसे हमने परचेस किया है ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म से और देखते हैं इस किट के अंदर क्या क्या कंटेंट्स है। सो लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट। नाउ वी विल रिमूव आउटर प्लास्टिक कवर. Now let's open the box and we can see instruction manual. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 syringes of composite, applicator tips for applying onto the tooth surface. Now we will take one disposable tip and apply it to the plastic tip, and we can apply it onto the tooth surface. This is the bonding agent provided by the company. This is an agent that is 37% phosphoric acid. This is mixing pad provided in the box. Here we can see various syringes of shades, that is A1, A2, A2, A3, A3.5, B2 and INC. These are various shades of composites provided by company, and we will see how to take this composite out. We have to rotate the knob provided on the back side, and here is composite. We can take it with the help of instrument. The composite provided here is a resin based restorative material which is hybrid composite. This restorative material is based on BGMA resin and inorganic filler particles with average particle diameter of 1.40 microns. I will suggest you to use this composite in post-endo restoration cases and low stress bearing areas like in class 3 and 5 restorations. This is an agent. We have to apply it for 20 seconds onto the enamel and avoid contact with the dentin. In cases of primary teeth and teeth with high fluoride content, we have to apply it for 90 to 120 seconds as suggested by the manufacturer using this plastic tip. After that, we have to wash it with the water and dry the tooth surface. The etched enamel should have a chalky white appearance. Now this is the bonding agent. We have to apply a thin uniform coating of bonding resin onto the etched tooth surface and cure it with the light curing unit for 15 to 20 seconds. After that, we have to place composite onto the tooth surface using non-metallic instrument. For lighter shades like A1, A2, the curing time is 40 seconds, and for the darker shades, that is A3, A3.5 or B2, the curing time is 60 seconds as recommended by the manufacturer. So friends, this was all about Prime-dent composite kit. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel and like this video.